Yo guys, I'm back again with another video. So, it's been a long time na nagkikita tayo ulit dito sa video na to. So, maglalaro ulit tayo ng guys, ng survival. So, I hope you enjoy I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa video and yeah, let's go get some food. And guys, by the way, binili ko na tong Minecraft sa Play Store. So, no ko na siya update para di ko na kailangan pumunta ng Google para i-download yung mga yan, APK. So, yeah. Kaya lalaro mo tayo ng survival. Samahan nyo ako guys. Oh, guys. Yeah. So, it's peak. Alright. So, I hope narinig nyo ako yung mic ko kasi mahina din ako salita. Alright, ito ko na din tong yan, tratas ko na ng cobblestone. Alright, ko tayo ng pickaxe. Okay guys, sa inyo pickaxe. Alright, ano pa isa medyo oh, it broke. Okay, so we gotta be grabbing this and this. Yup, we are stuck already. It's only my crafting table. Okay guys, yung natin gagawin dito ay maghanap ng village or bed. Because bed is necessary. Kailangan ko ng bed para makatulog ng maaga, you know. Alright, let's find some mobs. Oh, meron dito guys. Yeah. Alright, we cannot run anymore. Okay, so kuha tayo nitong smoker, kuha pa tayo sa furnace. Okay. Wala tayong how am I supposed to cook this, Nick? Oh my god. I'm gonna use my wood out. Alright. Nothing to see. Shit. So kita nyo guys, kaya ko magpa-zoom. Kaya ko magpa-zoom, right? Kasi ano yun guys, tawag yun sa bago tong launcher ko guys. Ano daw? Levy launcher. Ayan, mag-drop ng pagkain. Diba? Hindi na ako pupunta na inventory para ito yun. Kailangan ko na talaga pilitin yung queue. Yun ka kasi. At bawal man, put. Matapos na eh. To stick, maybe that work. Okay, that work for sure. Alright, let's go. Walking. Kami na natin. ako villager. Nice one. Alright, dito meron ito kailangan ko ito pala ng art na pang mabilisan para di size. Please diamond. Oh my heck, what the, oh, holy, you gotta, oh shoot, you gotta need this, don't need that, I mean it's gonna be needing this obsidian for sure. Alright, we gotta first, this one, and I like to clutch, and I'm gonna make a bucket, and alright, video. Alright, swerte ko na lang. Uy, dito meron yung mga palas. Okay, potato. Pwede na ito pang luto. Ulam ito eh. Okay, I guess natin dito yung mga storage. Alright, natin clear more. So meron pa rito ako nakita eh. Ito haber oh, pang bread. Yeah, I'm not really used to eating bread. Alright, so oh, what is this new structure? Oh, really good dog. Alright, I'm out. What's in here? Yeah, what's lost? Yeah, so I came here. Yeah, I came here. So I'm gonna actually continue here. I didn't have a spot. I didn't have a freaking water. So I'm supposed to touch. Bro. Oh, at least meron tayong water. Up lang tayo ng iba pang structure. Hindi ko pa na napatay yung iron golem na that's okay. Meron ito nga. Nice. Okay, flat area. Nice. Mayroon dito ang acacia. What the heck is this? Acacia, no? Acacia ba yung alright, so saan tayo pupunta? Dito na siguro, no? Dito no? Dito na lang. Garden tayo po. Give me your wool. Uy, sa putik. No way, dude. Damn. Am I that lucky? Dog, damn. What the heck is that shit doing? Thank you for your best. Give it HP. Damn, thank you. Okay, this one, how about? Well, from my phone. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay, just wait. I'm gonna use this for now. So give protection. Just here done. Yeah. I think you're going. The XP, bro. Puta. Hindi nyo makakalabas kayo. Lingerang potex pa kayo. Hindi mo nakapapatay yung iron ko. Yup, no. Okay. Nothing. Yup. Yup. Okay. Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna make a shield para protection natin. Uy, 5 dinrop na, nice. So, shit. Diretso tayo dito. Uy. Okay, di pa pala tayo dinala. Alright, let's go. Alright, so where can I be found anything? Found two village. Yeah. Ating nga ba rito? Meron pa ba dito? Wait. Wala na ba? Oh! Kailangan ko lang ng ano, ng tag dito. Cave, di pa ako nakakita ng cave eh. Like, what am I supposed to do though? Alright guys, hanggang dito muna yung video natin. So, I hope na nag-enjoy guys sa video ko. And, see you guys in the next one. And, I'ma make a part 2 or episode 2. Same thing guys, same thing lang naman. Okay, sa episode 2 ata, siguro mapapopularan tayo. And, alright guys, see you in the next video. Darkness out.